What if you could simply push a button to start making money right away? Yes, you read it properly. All you have to do is click a button to make $0.50 if you hit the button again. You'll get another dollar. Doesn't it sound like a lot of fun? Consider how much money you could make by simply clicking a few buttons on your phone or computer and earning money without any prior expertise or abilities. This technique is completely free and available anywhere in the world. Please pay close attention and watch till the finish of this video because I'm going to give you some important tips that I'll share with you throughout the video. And if you don't pay attention, you won't make any money. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Paidera.com is the website that we will be using to generate money online today. Now, before we go to the website and try to figure things out on our own, I strongly recommend that you watch the video because I cover a lot of ground there, including how to sign up for free bonuses, how to make more money faster with step-by-step examples, and what mistakes you should avoid in order to cash out successfully. Consider this. Paidera.com will compensate you for taking surveys. You can make money by converting your time, and the payout is rather quick, as you can expect to receive a reward on the first day. There are now no national limits, and anyone from any country can join. Of course, you can do it on your phone or on your computer, and that's one of the things I appreciate about these websites. You may meet the $10 minimum payout instantaneously and receive your payment within 1 day. Every day, they have a limitless amount of jobs for you to do. There's no limit to how much money you can make in a day, and if you stick with me until the finish, I'll show you a hidden way to make even more. As you can see, Paidera.com offers a variety of opportunities to earn money. To earn extra money, you can join up for various projects, complete surveys, post films, and invite and refer friends. You're also capable of writing articles on a single web page. You can do a lot of things. So far, they have over 900,000 members, have completed over 7 million tasks, and have distributed over 1 million rewards to people all over the world as of the time of recording this video. This man is from Asia, and through Paidera, he earns $30 each day. Another person from Has made $60 from Paidera and is eager to tell others about their experience. This is clear proof that they do not get people from various nations, and as you can see, people are making money on this website over and over again in Saudi Arabia. I could show you hundreds of payment proofs indicating that this is unquestionably operating. This is unquestionably a terrific opportunity for anyone to begin earning money right now. If you want to sign up for a free account, simply click on the blue Create an Account button at the top of the page and proceed to this page to create a free account and start making money. You can join today and make 50% more money than other people by following these instructions. All you have to do is enter your name, username, email, password, and click OK. You can now begin doing surveys, downloading softwares, performing tasks, inviting friends, and posting videos after successfully registering for an account. You can make money in a variety of ways, and I'll show you how right now. For example, after logging into your account, you can do surveys like this to earn $0.20, $0.30, or $0.45. There are many different surveys to pick from, and new ones are introduced every day. To see new surveys, simply use the refresh button. Now, I know what you're thinking. Surveys paid around $0.40 to $0.50, which isn't a lot of money. But here's the catch. I'm going to show you exactly how I make a lot more money on this website alone. I'll show you how to press buttons and start making money in real time with a live demonstration. Now, let me give you an example for how this survey can be used. Simply click Take Surveys, and then this green button to be directed to this page, where you can see $0.50 by just clicking on buttons. You may begin doing surveys right now. The fact is that you don't have to take any surveys seriously. All you have to do is click on the blue Start Survey button, and they'll load on this website. Once loaded, you'll be asked questions like, what is your gender? You can simply select male or female. It makes no difference because they are uninterested in your response. So scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the next button. The blue button right here is actually pretty hidden at the bottom of the website. Make sure you click the right button and they'll reload the website and show you as you can see here. Scroll down to continue. You don't have to answer anything on this page either. Simply scroll to the bottom of the page and click the continue button. The fact that every button you click could earn you $0.50 is one of the reasons I like this website. For instance, we just finished answering 2 questions, so you've now won $1. Simply click on whatever you want to answer the following question. Scroll down to the next button after clicking the tab. As you can see from the questions here, you can do this as many times as you like every day. To answer more questions, scroll down to the next button. Before we go any further, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video thus far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now I simply scroll down to the bottom of this page and repeat the process. Simply click the button, scroll down the bottom of the page, and click next. By clicking on the buttons, clicking on the next button, scrolling down and clicking on continue, you can keep making money over and over again. You can, of course, repeat these surveys if you want to earn even more money. They have hundreds of surveys to choose from, and the best part is that when you complete the first 10, you can unlock surveys that pay twice as much, but that's a unique bonus tip you won't find anywhere else. For example, instead of $0.50 every survey, you might get $1, and if you complete another 50 surveys, you might get $10. As long as you follow the same process, you can continue to double your money for every 10 surveys you complete. You might be asking why this website gives you money for doing nothing more than clicking buttons. Is it legit? Is it possible to use it? Is it true? Or is it a ruse? They want to show you adverts on their website, which is why they offer you money to click the continue button. Now, if you look attentively, they have one ad right here, number 1, 2, and 3 in all of this website. And if you inadvertently click on them, for example this one, they will gain money. That's why they strive to cram as many advertising as possible onto a single page, and they want you to keep clicking through the pages. So basically, that's the truth behind that. And I've never seen other people talking about it to explain to you, but basically, if you want to save time, make sure you always go down to the very bottom of the website and click on continue, and then you can repeat the same process over and over again. But sometimes, they ask you random questions, so just click on any one of the answers, write whatever, and go down below and click on next, and that's how it works. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.